What's up guys, this is a quick unboxing for the Adidas original EQT Support Advance. So right guys, I bought this from Amazon and it cost me £85 and this is a quick unboxing. So I'll show you quickly what it looks like in the box when you get them. So that's how they look when they come in the box. I love the colour and everything. These are actually running trainers as well. I'll get them out and I'll show you what they look like now. So right guys, this is what they look like, and these are very similar to the other ones, just a slightly different design, and they are really light as well. These very light. Same type of texture and material, a bit more solid on the sides compared to the other ones I've unboxed, and they're really soft, and yeah, they feel really nice. I have tried them on and they're really good and they're really comfortable, and they are light on your feet. So this is what they look like at the front. This is what they look like on the side. This is the back of them. And this is the other side. I have actually worn them around the house and they are really comfortable. And this is what the soles look like underneath. A little bit of dirt there, like I said. I have worn them just to test them out and see what they were like. Again, it's got the 3 pinstripes for the Adidas sign, and I like the way they've done that. That's part of the design. And the tongue itself, as you can see, is integrated again. It's just part of one unit, and this has got it's all padded up inside and everything. So like I said, I have bought this from Amazon for £85, and I will leave a link in the description below. And they are really comfortable. Like I said, they are really light. So these are going to be more like me gym or running trainers. I can't really tell you much else about them, apart from they are really light. So there's not much information on them here. But yeah, they are really nice. The inside of them are nice. They're nice and padded inside. So right guys, like I said, this was just a quick unboxing just to show you what they look like. So if you're interested in buying them and you wanted to have a quick look at them before you bought them, this is just a close up for you just to have a look at them. So I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying them. And thanks guys for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.